Hey there, Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. You know, one of the most important things about doing a quality job reloading ammunition is making sure that you properly clean your cases. There's multiple ways of doing this. I've shown walnut shell media in a vibratory tumbler. I've shown ultrasonic cleaners with water and special cleaning agents. Now it's time to do some wet tumbling with stainless steel pin media. And in order to demonstrate that, I'm going to try out the Lyman Cyclone Rotary Tumbler. Good thing about this kit is it's quality construction. It's got a belt-driven design. It comes with a stainless pin media. It's got multiple sifters that are included. And in the next video, I'm going to follow it up with the Lyman Cyclone dryer so that we can dry these cases off quickly and effectively so that we don't have to wait forever or steal cookie sheets and do it in the oven. Not that I would ever do that. So what I'm going to start with here is the unboxing, and we will see exactly what is included with the kit here. So you guys are seeing this with me for the very first time. That's how I like to do these. It makes it fun, okay? Some packing materials here. Instructions. Looks like we've got a sifter here, and we've got another sifter. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take this box down and we'll get the unit out of here. Here's the actual drum, and then the base and the cord. Okay, so it looks like we've got our cleaning. It comes with some sample cleaner solution here, taped to the unit, and I can feel the stainless pin media must be inside our drum here. So that's 5 pounds. Make sure it comes out the right way. Okay, so there's our stainless pin media, and we've got the drum here. So I've got something cool in mind. A while back, some friends and I did a machine gun shoot here at the Ultimate Reloader Outpost, and one of the things we were able to shoot was an M60. So I have a whole bunch of military 308 brass that was run through the machine gun that I need to clean. So I'm going to take a moment, I'm going to look at the instructions, I'm going to make sure that I understand how everything's going to come together, what the ratios are, and then I'll show you the process of doing the cleaning and the sifting. Okay, so I took a moment to read the instructions, and I think I understand how this is supposed to work now. What you can do is you can tumble your cases before you deprime and size in water alone to just kind of remove the bulk of dirt and carbon, that kind of thing. Size and deprime, and then basically you're at where this brass is at. I already sized it, I deprimed it, and it's covered in lube, residue, it's really sticky, and you can see here in the primer pockets that they are dirty. So what we can do now is we'll load the drum, which involves taking the lid off here. Okay, lid and gasket over there. Okay, now we can fill this drum up to about half full for optimal results. All right, looks like I need a little bit better of a funnel solution for that. So we're almost at half full here. I'm gonna throw these, and I will save those for samples to compare before and after. How about that? Okay, so we've got the drum almost half filled here, as you can see. And what we need to do now is dump in our pins. This is the 5 pounds of pin material. Okay. Comes with 2 ounces of cleaning solution, and we need about 1 ounce. So I'm just gonna kind of cut this off here, and then we're gonna pour about half of that in. How does that look? A little bit more. There we go. Okay, so we'll save the rest of that for subsequent cleaning. Now let's go ahead and fill it with water. So what we want to do is just fill the drum until the water level is just over the brass and pin media. Okay, so that would be right about there. Got a little bit of a layer of water. We will call that good. Okay, so now that we've filled the drum, we make sure that we've got the gasket in place on the lid, and then we're gonna go ahead and close the lid on the drum. Make sure that we don't have any leaks. Looks good, okay. And then we just set the drum on the unit and then we crank up our time. Now, I'm gonna leave this running. I'm gonna go take lunch and give this about an hour or so. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And I'll see you guys after lunch. All right, so we've been tumbling the brass for a little over an hour now, and what we can do is loosen the cap, and then we can go over and do our sifting to get the media and the brass separated and all the fluid out of this tank. Okay, so this is how this is going to work. We're going to take the fine sifter and put it in the sink, and that's going to catch the pins. And then we're going to take the coarse sifter, put it on top of the fine sifter, and then take the drum and empty the contents into that top sifter. You can see here we've got a bunch of kind of gross looking water. That's what we wanted to see. Wow, that looks really, really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. So notice there's still stainless steel pins inside the drum. We're just gonna kind of wash those out. And at the same time, we're gonna be kind of rinsing off the cases themselves. Okay, so we've washed most of the pins out, and now we can continue to rinse these cases and do an agitation. All right, so things are looking good, and then all of our stainless steel pins basically are in this bottom sifter. Well, that wasn't bad at all. I let these cases tumble for about an hour and a half in the solution with those stainless steel pins, and they came out absolutely great. I mean, look at these. They were corroded and dingy and scungy with dried on case lube. They were absolutely horrible looking, and now they look amazing, and the primer pockets are absolutely scrubbed clean, which I totally love. I'm sold on this. And what's next is to dry the cases. So we have multiple options here. We can take a towel, spread that out, and put a layer of cases on that, let them air dry overnight. We could put cases on a cookie sheet, put it in the oven for a while if nobody gets upset. Or I have a secret weapon up my sleeve. We could use something like the Lyman Cyclone case dryer, and this will be the subject of the next video. We're going to pick up right where we left off here. We'll do an unboxing, and we'll show you how to get these cases dried in no time. So you're going to want to check that out. Please subscribe to GavinTube if you haven't already with notifications, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have your own case cleaning methodologies and stories that you'd like to share, please drop a comment. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.